We have Melissa with us today. We're super excited to have you for your new style appointment.
Me too.
All right. I heard you're going away on vacation this weekend?
I am, and I just needed to get a fresh do that will stand up with everything I do with my kids, from swimming to snorkeling and bike riding, and it's been great.
And with your new hair, you can do all these
All
things.
of it.
And you don't have to worry about anything.
None of it.
That is fantastic.
It's awesome. Now, since I've gotten my hair, I don't think twice about it. I just go. It's one less thing that I have to worry about, and I could just enjoy myself without feeling self-conscious. Since I've gotten hair, my husband's reaction has been more than I even expected. He tells me how great it looks, he's so happy for me, and him and my kids have noticed a huge change in my disposition and my overall attitude with life, because now I have hair and I'm not worried about not having hair. I wish I did it sooner. It was the best decision I ever made, and it's been the easiest thing I've ever done. One of the best things I've done for myself in my life was getting my hair back.